Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Clickbank affiliate account. First, open your internet browser and search for clickbank.com and just want to close all the ads here. And if you see this homepage, as you can see, Clickbank e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace. Sign up for a free Clickbank account to access our industry-leading affiliate marketplace, ultra-reliable tracking, and unrivaled direct response expertise. Build, market, and scale your business with Clickbank. Now, to get you started here as an affiliate, you just need to click the Start Here button at the top right corner. And then a message shows up here. As you can see, let's customize your Clickbank experience. Please select the primary reason you're signing up for an account below. But in this case, I just want to click on this Skip this quick start guide. Now you will be directly go here on this page where you can sign up your account. As you can see, almost there. Continue signing up below. Now you just need to fill up all the fields here. For example, here on country, you can enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and your passwords. You can see, please choose an account password that contains all of the following here. Now at the bottom, you will find continue to terms and conditions. So you just need to read the terms and condition here. And finally, just click on join Clickbank. Now here, as you can see, after I finish signing up, you just need to click on this join Clickbank. And then a message here shows up, as you can see. And the only thing that you're going to do is just click on this no thanks, continue to signing up. Then a message here again showing up, as you can see, for Clickbank sellers and affiliates. So you can actually download this list and accept here. Now here, as you can see, thank you for your interest to joining Clickbank. The start of your Clickbank digital marketing journey begins now by completing your account profile. Once your profile is complete, our instant account verification check will review your information for approval. So right here, you just have to click this complete my profile button. And then here, you just need to complete your profile. As you can see, simply fill out your profile to finish setting up your Clickbank account. So you can actually change password, change email address, and then you need to enter your first name and then your last name. And then just need to enter your country, your phone number, street address, your province, region, or city, and your zip code or postal code. Then choose the preferred language, so English obviously, and then here, how would you like to be paid? So here it's important to enter your pay name and then your tax ID. And then you can also click on this question mark here to get you help about this payee and tax ID. And then here, let's optimize your performance. So on the first box here, you just need to click on the drop down menu. And then here you can actually choose whether you like to sell physical products, sell digital products, promote products as an affiliate, or as an influencer. So here we just need to click on as an affiliate, and then company's annual revenue. And finally, once you finish filling up all the fields right here, you just need to click on this save button right here. And you can now start your Clickbank account as an affiliate. So that's how you basically create a Clickbank affiliate account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.